We're going to practice using the shell and draft commands. So I'm going to go ahead and click on open. You should have already downloaded this. If not, you need to download the file called shell. We'll open it up, and I want to create a shell of this particular object. So in order to do so, I'm going to flip it on its bottom, and then I'm going to click the shell command. So I click on shell, and remove faces allows me to remove that bottom part. If I didn't remove faces, I'd end up with a hollow object with a bottom on it. In this case, I want to remove the bottom so I can see up underneath it. I can change the thickness to 0.3 to give it a little more strength, and then click OK. So now I have a nice shelled object. Flip it over and you see how it's made. The next thing we want to do is I want to use the draft command. So draft, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick this middle one right here, fixed plane, and I want to clear draft from here to there. And our particular draft, you can decide how many degrees. It's not particularly important, but if I decide to make it 25, it will definitely exaggerate a little bit so you can see what draft does. So it creates a little draft. Click apply, and let's turn it over, see how that affected everything. See how draft, because the order in which I did it, if I did draft first, then I'd have a thin section out here, and because I did draft after I did the shell, all this is solid. So it depends on what your goals are, but that's how to use the draft.